Friends, let's make delicious party wings in your oven. I'll give you the complete recipe, whole recipe. This is 4.5 pounds of organic chicken wings. What flavor we are giving to our delicious party wings? Smoky, spicy, sweet. Right here. Okay. 40 minutes of baking. This recipe is all from the ready-made ingredients. Okay, so look at these wings. This is a fantastic recipe if you have a game day. 4.5 pounds of wings. And I have beautiful wings right here. We'll rinse our wings right now. So I will add at least 4 tablespoons of salt, half cup of vinegar right on top of these guys. What flavor we are giving to our delicious party wings? Smoky, spicy, sweet. It's gonna cover all the flavors which we are craving right now. Look at all these ingredients. They all are gonna go in here. Here we are at the sink. You will add some water. Okay, just massage your chicken wings right now. It's been 5 minutes. Put our wings in a strainer. Give it a fresh water, rinse. You see, we don't need this in our food. You just have to make sure your wings are completely dry at this time. Right here, this is the party tray. Grab a paper towel, just make sure you pat dry your wings. This is 2 tablespoons of smoky paprika. We will sprinkle this right on top of it. No, this is just a regular garlic powder. 1/4 cup of baking. Onion powder. These are the main ingredients for the recipe. 1/4 cup of onion powder. This will build the flavors. We will grab half cup of baking. We will take soy sauce. Half cup right here. Now, look at this. Golden maple syrup. Half cup of maple syrup. I have a Texas Pete hot sauce. This is not the medium. The spice level is not too much, so it's on the medium. Half cup of hot sauce. If it was a deep frying recipe, I would have given you another way how to do it. I'm using olive oil. You can put this olive oil at 500 Fahrenheit degree, no problem. Half baking cup of olive oil. It says this is barbecue sauce, bold and smoky, pitmaster, perfection. This is 1 whole baking cup, my friend. Look at this. It says 1 cup. Okay, so here you go. 1 whole baking cup goes right here. To add the smoky pitmaster barbecue sauce, you will need 1/4 cup of sea salt. If you want to bake your wings with the perfect flavor, that's the key. New pair of gloves. Let's massage this. Make sure all your wings are covered. The flavors, the taste, the ingredients are so good, man. Set your ovens at 400 degrees and we will set the timer for 40 minutes. Party, man, with these wings. We have marinated our wings, put in an aluminum tray. They're ready to go. Let's add these wings in our oven. Let's go. 400 degrees. Let it cook. Let the oven does it work. We will check back after 20 minutes. We might need to just stir around after 20 minutes and I'll show you the whole picture. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check on our delicious party wings. I'm boiling some corn right here in regular water. Have some corns with it. So let's go, let's open this. I have turned the oven light already. Look at this, my friend. I'm not wearing the baking gloves, but this has been 20 minutes. Let's grab this whole tray, Let's pick this up, put it right here. Yes, sir. And let's just stir this up. You guys see the crust, little bit crust on top? This is what we wanted. Grab a thong or regular spoon, just stir it up. 4.5 pounds of the wing, my friend. I have shared all these ingredients with you, you know? You guys see that? Taste test, here you go. Halfway cooked. Whew. Let's cook these for 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes. Let's go. Let's cover this with the oven lid. 40 minutes of baking our beautiful party wings, my friend. They are completely done. I'm 100% sure they are completely done. If I press my spoon, the thong, a little bit harshly, a little bit strongly on top, these are completely done. Dish them out at this time. Dish them out. Let's dish them out. All right, time to serve. I'm serving it with boiled corn, some celery, and some carrots. All the weight is over. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, my friend. And here it is. This is the beautiful, delicious chicken wing whole recipe right here. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe the channel and bye-bye for now. Right here, it's full of wings for all my friends. And this is the moment of truth with all the flavors, buddy. They are tender, super tender.